Hey guys, I'm back with a video. Yeah, believe it or not. Oops. But we're doing happy hour packs and they're finally out when the legend packs are out. There you go. Right here. Alright. Let's open some happy hour packs since we opened other packs. A legend pack and the throwback pack, so let's do the happy hour pack. Let's tell you what happy hour is. Alright guys, so let's go to change pack type. Alright. The throwback pack was greatly improved pack luck is available at random times for only an hour at a time. There's a throwback pack right there and a legend pack, which always says available is on Sunday UK time. 24 rare gold players with an increased pack luck overall and greatly increased chances of packing a legend. So yeah, we already did that one in the morning. It did not go up very good. So let's do that pack now. Let's see if we could get a good pack. And guys, and then I hope y'all enjoy that club tour and the frisbee skills. Don't judge, alright? Wow, Lukaku. I think he was upgraded, wasn't he? Guys, comment down below if y'all think Lukaku was upgraded, alright? Tell me in the comments down below. Alright. Alright, let's get a good player. Let's get a good player. Ooh, a double informed pack. Let's go, bro. Come on. That's upgraded Kane. Let's go. Double inform Milak and Biglia. Wow. Good pack. Good pick. Good pick. Probably the best pack of all. Right now. Oh, okay. Got Jamie Vardy. That's like 65K. Look at that total. So yeah. Let's get a good pull right now. And he's alright. Good player. Oh. Let's do turn off back. Hello. Alright, let's go to the back now. Y'all not gonna see my password. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's get a good pull. Pull. Oh. Not gonna look. Yeah, both. We're not gonna look both. Ron, he's suspended for a game. For Ron. Alright. Oh, for Tunis. Alright, another turn off pack. By the way, pink mouse boy. Someone comment down below, nice pink mouse, bro. Here it is, look at that. Man. Yeah, look at that. Alright. Now, we're gonna have to do that again. Oh, wow. We got upgraded heart, though. Yay! Buttland. 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 Is it gonna open? Wow, no one. Alright. I'm not gonna do the pack, I'm gonna do the cost. Oh god, that's not good. That is not good. Oh, Hernandez! Look at that, bam, boy, let's go. I'm a base. Put some cells in the base. Yeah. She's not a base. He's not a base. I'm a base.
Hey, what?
Bro. Alright. Oh no. No. This got an informed Thiago Silva. That's a base. Put some sauce on the base. Oh. Wow, now we get back to getting nothing. Why did I change type of pack? Alright, let's open Legend Shop Pack for a little bit. Okay, if we get a Legend, I'm done. I'm literally quitting this video once if I get a Legend. Eat! Alright guys, we're gonna open 2 minutes of this pack and end it, alright? Or no, 1 minute. That's it. So yeah, we're not getting nothing. And by the way, if I pull a Legend off camera, I'll post it too. Yeah. So, just saying. Put alongside.
Don't take it short now.
Then I'm in the bit. Base. Put some sauce on the base. Alright. I'm gonna drink one. Alright. Legend! No! I just got a Legend. Let's go. Come on. Look at that. Fiera, let's go. Come on. I'm serious. Let's go. Come on. Alright. That's gonna be the pack opening. Peace out. Bye. Subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out. Share this video. Peace.